Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Serdar Yener and you are watching number 2 demo video using our cake decorating and management software Cakenote. And our subject is today a simple small cake for a child, for a girl or for a boy, we can decide later on, and decorate it with their one of the most favorite soft toy teddy bear. So I'm going to show you some little tricks that how can you deal with this very easily, and how can you also elaborate that simple concept, a cake with a toy on top, with some additional objects, and then bring them into a really good view that you can present to your customers or for your own hobby. All right. Of course, first thing to do is create design. Just click over here and you end up in our designer page. Click construction, click the boards and select a round board, and we go for, let's say, 9mm thick and 400mm wide isometric view. We put this over here first. And I'm going to go this time quite quick. I like to cover this one with, let's make it like for a boy, all right? And I coat it with the textile, which is just something like this, maybe a bit darker blue, so we can make the cake a bit lighter blue. And as you remember from other video, we can change that a little bit more finer, sort of like a velvet. We choose the velvet here. You can also choose, of course, other categories of material. And at this stage, I like to first finish the couple of steps, and after that we go back to this property sort of platform, and we can put all the prices on it. Let's carry on quickly now, and next step, of course, choose the cake. All right, close the construction so the cake comes in front of us. Click on it. I like to choose 100mm high and 250mm round cake. Scroll the page down, go to 100 heights. You see that in bracket there is actually size of the cakes, every cake you can choose. And what I said, 100 height, 250, that's the one, isometric view, click here. And we put the cake on the platform. All right, so let's go and fill some flavor into the cake. What about we choose some butter cake sponge? All right, then after that, I'm going to coat it again with some maybe buttercream. You can use this time. Recipes. White chocolate ganache, Italian buttercream. Let's go for this. All right, and I like to coat, add another coating here, and select rolling fondant. Rolled fondant, white. All right. Thickness, I'm happy with that. Maybe I should reduce the thickness of the cream a little bit to 2mm. As you see over here, the price is changing according to the thickness of the coatings. So if you put the thicker fondant, you charge more money. If you make it, things are thinner, and you charge less. This is very fair system for a customer actually, and also gives you like a very confident feeling that you're not really fiddling with the pricing. Pricing will be appear at the end. Everything is 100%. All right. Before we continue doing something else, I like to also go back to board and then put the prices up. That was a 9mm board. This one. And $8 per square meter and $12.80 according to Australian dollars. So if you are in other countries, as soon as you are a member and then you register your all details, you have to also indicate where are you coming from, which country you are, and then it will automatically change to your currency rate. And all the prices what we giving to you that for your starting comfort, it will change to your own currency. Every single price what you see in this system you can change individually, or you can change it on that particular order only. All right, I'll show you this one later on. All right, price for the textile is there, the board is there, everything is good. This board will cost the customer about $25. All right, done. Next thing is I like to take this cake, make it a little bit light blue. So I go to this fill tool and choosing this item to the blue here, and kind of like sky blue, like that. That's maybe too dark, a bit lighter, a bit lighter. That's it. I'm happy with this. All right. Next thing is I like to put some grass over here around. Okay. Now to do that, we go to decorations, close the cakes, open the decorations. There's a lot of decorations over here. I want to put the sort of grass around. That is obviously a natural element. I like to go to natural elements and then choose the right thing here. No, I was wrong. It's not the natural element. It is the trees and bushes, I believe. Let's go here and find the right one. Where is it? Trees and plants. That's correct. Natural elements more like stones and like a snow and it's all those stuff. So I want to use this one. Grass number 2. So every time we put one item over here, you see the price is already building up, $4 here. You can also change it if you like. So I want to go around and put this one around of it. So basically you want to shift that a little bit up, press shift, and then grab this corner and then lift it up like this. I'm good with this. And after that, copy and put it over here, just on the edge. And then when you see things from the side view, it will be, of course, a bit more smashed. And then go here, up a little bit, and then grab this and then make it like thinner. All right. And a little bit out. I don't mind. All right. And then also twist down to the ground. All right. Now, highlight this, press shift, highlight the second thing. And after that, you copy it. And then bring this one here for your comfort. Turn the other side. Like that. And bring back to here. Put it there. Our grass surrounding decoration already ready. So we're going to place some flowers over here to cover that joining part. And then you see that the geometrical turn of it, it will be all disappeared when you put some flowers on it. I will probably choose the daisy flowers for that. So let's now go back and put our teddy bear on the cake. All right, we are in the decoration part, and then just go to animals and creatures. Where's my teddy bear? Here it is. So some of the animals here, like teddy bear, you can see that tree view, and you can see over here that elephant in tree view. And these are actually also available at the 3-dimensional cake section, which I'm going to explain you this in another video. So don't be confused with that. If you select a teddy bear from the decorations, from animals, you will have a small piece, like something like this. That is represent a kind of sugar teddy bear. If you go to select the same teddy bear from the 3-dimensional cakes, you will have a larger one, which probably about enough for 20 people for a 3D cake system, which is not relevant at the moment. I will go back to this another video, not to confusing at this stage. All right, so we're gonna put this over here and then make it slightly larger. Now, as you've seen that it appears on a $15. So I like to put on this one a little bit larger and charge a bit more money only for this cake. So all what you have to do, you go to this button here, edit button, and you will see that particular information for that particular teddy bear which is standing on the cake. Take this price, make it $25. That's what I want to charge. Up to you how much to charge. If you want, you can charge $100 if you like. Update, and then as you see over here, for this cake, it become $25. You have also over here indication that shows that if you click on it, you have a message here. The price of this decoration has been manually adjusted. Would you like to reset to the price, to the decoration, to the original price? No, I want to keep it $25. All right. Good. Let's work out a little bit of like a teddy bear is sitting on the cake not so nicely. I like to put a small little board underneath. All right, go to construction, back again, and then I will choose 1mm board, which is probably about like 150 millimeter. Let's see, that's okay. And I'm going to make this one also green. I don't want to charge anything for this, so that's why I keep it like a zero cost here. It's just a sugar piece, doesn't matter. I like to make it as a green one. Where is it? The green. Back here to the green. Something sweet. That color. Maybe a little lighter. This way, that way. I'm happy with this. So, what happened now? This board is appear in front of the teddy bear. Just grab here, bring underneath teddy bear, it will go underneath. Very easy. What I don't like also here, that the black line around the cake. So highlight this and then go to this tool. That tool will give you a kind of possibility to change the color of the line around the cake shape. So again, I like to have it a little bit more sort of bluish, lighter bluish on that area, and click on this. As you see that it's disappeared, but I want to have a little bit there. So just go like this, like that, like that. That's all right. So it makes it more, the cake is more like a sort of seamless fondant on it without any line on it. So we have to avoid to make things geometrical in a sense. All right. So teddy bear, a little bit larger. $25 is enough to make it a little bit larger. Doesn't matter. I like to change the color. Now I like to show you how to use this ombre style. All right. Click here. You see that one here? One is the center to outside, and then this is like from level down to upper side. That's his two-tone, and from it's very good for covering the cakes with that, but I like to use this one. All right, let's choose that. You see that dark brown is represent this part. I'm going to choose dark brown here and select here and go to the sort of orangish color. Let's say here. Okay, like that. And you see that dark part here, and then highlight here, the dark color, click here, which is already there, and then select something light. And go back here. Do not move the color chart here, make it something darker. Look what happened. All right, and I want to make this other color here to make it pink. So I just choose this one that time. And I'm going to go to pink side, which is here, and select that. Look at that. How easy to make things from one shape to another shape, one color to another color. It makes all the difference. All right. All right. Next thing I like to do, I want to put some flowers here. All right. Where are we? Are we in construction? So close that. Decoration. And what do we say? Flowers. All right, close that one too. Animals close, so you have a better view. Flowers. Daisy. I have isometric view and top view available. If I have other pictures available for the same flower, you will have more icons over here to choose. All right, so this is the top view and that's the side view. Is this a good size? I don't think it's too bad. So make it a bit more bigger and smaller. Couple of copies of this. All right, put it here, one there, one on the side. Always change the direction a bit to make the variations. Don't keep everything the same size and the same position. All right, see that little holding point? That's the turn the flower. That turns the flower. All right, everything else does something else. All those manipulation points. All right. And the side view. This one I need also a couple of them. All right, one here, maybe here. Don't make it too crowded. Just go like this, and then up and down. Some of them could be on the stem. Doesn't matter. All right, and here, that's one here, and then make another copy of this. Oh, I have already enough here. Next thing, I like to put all the flowers charged here, no problem. And I like to put some balloons here. If you highlight the whole lot, or you don't highlight, doesn't matter. If you don't highlight, doesn't matter. And click this one. This one will bring the whole thing in the center. All right, you see that slightly movement. And also you can actually highlight everything together and then move wherever you want. So I want to put some balloons over here. That's why I want to put the cake a bit downwards. All right. Balloons. I don't have any balloons here as available. Maybe it will happen in the future, but I have some shapes. All right. Where is it? Here. Shapes. As you realize that when I open something, the previously open items disappeared. All right. I can make a balloon from this circle. All right. Let's make this a bit oblongish, a bit smaller. All right. And then put it here. All right. Then what I do, I go to my fill tool. I will use again this one. Choose this. This is a boy's cake. So let's make it like one of them blue. All right. So just this one here. Grab that, and then bring it that. All right. In the center one, I want to have it lighter color. So this is in the center. It's already highlighted. You see that shade in the middle, and I put here this one. And then outside, I like to make it this color. Look at what happened. But now I have this white shiny part, which makes the sort of like popping out, sort of like a beveling in the center. I want to have it like somewhere around here. So what I do, I move this one there. Now that doesn't happen. That makes it a bit larger. I want to have it like slightly this way. Look at that. Move on the side, all right? And then go a bit up. Here we go. Look at that. It looks like a balloon now? Perfect. All right. That cost how much? Only $2. I want to have 3 balloons. This one, copy, and copy. Like this one, I like to have this balloon yellow. So click here, click there. You will come back to the exact same situation. All right. I'm going to turn this one to sort of like yellow color. Look at that. That change. That one has to choose the other side. Slightly darker color. Sort of like pistachio green. I'm happy with that. And then this one, probably we have to make it like blue, yellow, maybe red. Red is good for the boys. Back again. And red is here. Red. That's the light color. And then choose this one to, again, red. Voila. Happy days. So I want to have these balloons not in the air like this. I want to connect to this part with some string. So I don't have also balloon string object here as an asset, but I can have a draw a little bit. So that is the thickness. I want to make a little bit thinner. Slightly thicker. Like this, okay. Color is correct, red. So, sorry, black. And then this is what I do. I didn't like it. Highlight. What's happening? I don't like it. Disappear. Get rid of this tool and then highlight all those things. All right. And delete. I want to have one straight line. Okay. Go back to draw and then make it a little bit more thinner. I don't care. All right. And then sort of like one movement like this. Look at that. It's quite straight. If I make it straight, sort of quickly, I can make it quite a straight line. All right. Grab this, bring it here, and then make it shorter. You can make it thicker if you like. All right. Turn around. All right. That goes to the hand around here, and copy, and copy. Turn. Put it here. This one. I tell you what, this is much easier if you do it somewhere else without interrupting with the teddy bear. Put it here. And this one. Turn it. Something like that. Put it here. So I like to have this one a little bit more open. Actually, this one a bit more open to this direction. You know, you can, as I explained before, you can do all those things like for example, 3 balloons could be an object that you may use again. So you can highlight this, all the setup of the balloons, and save it as a decoration template, and then reuse it sometimes again for some other cakes. All right, let's grab that and put it here to the hand. Because I grab all together, so I can turn this also a little bit like this. All right, so that's the point that teddy bear holding the balloons. Okay, now I like to have this one here. Let's have this one here, and this one there. Turn like this a little bit, and this one there, and turn like that. Look at that, 3 balloons. So balloons has to go up. This one to the top, this one to the top, and this one to the top. So they're all gone. No, this one again. This one has to be top again. Go in front of the green one. Done. All right. If you like also, you can create the small little corners over here that you know. Let's do it. Okay. Draw. Change the color. I want to have blue color. This one. All right. Make a small little, sort of like a little triangular here. Look. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. This is done. Okay. And then the red one. Red. Come here. What's missing here is like a little sort of like a bow here that holding the sort of teddy bear in the hand has a kind of little bow. Go back to here and bow and incisors. I think this is a good idea. Just collect that. One. That's too big. Bring it here. Change the color to blue for a boy. Something like this. All right. What do you think about this, guys? Get it in the center. Before you save, always you bring in the center, and we have to name it. I like to name this Teddy on the Cake. Teddy on the Cake. All right. Category. As I explained, you can choose a birthday cake, or you can create your own category, and you just edit over here. So if you, let's say I show you that, you click over here, you create, for example, A, B, C category. All right. You have to create, you have to press create first. Then when you create that, you will have it in the list, and you can choose, you see A, B, C here. So that's it. Then you can delete this category from the designs list. There will be categories you can delete or you can change. All right. So that's it. So that was my today's demonstration, guys. I hope that you have understand. If we want to recap here, you have seen how to turn sort of like flat object to a bit more like a emboss and a bit more like with bevel. You can create sort of like illusion of 3-dimensional look. And then you can change the corner colors. You can create individual assets from individual assets for like surround decorations. You can highlight all those things individually, and then you can save them. Actually, the best way is, because, did I save that? Not yet. Okay, we just press here, save. Here we go. Then you can also view, and you can also see the decorations, all the list of things, everything. I will cover that one on another video, which is how to use the existing designs into orders, and how to also deal with your kitchen operation. So how you can instruct them what to do, etc. They're all coming in the future, very near future. All right. So that's my teddy bear, guys. Thank you so much for watching me again. And so I just do keep on doing this and try to help you to make you understand how to deal with the Cakenote. We will have tens of videos coming very soon. And thank you so much. Until the next tutorial, bye for now.